Trulia Rental Housing Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think finding the perfect rental is a hassle, but Trulia aims to make it faster, easier, and more transparent. Trulia is a popular online platform that aggregates rental listings across the U.S., helping users find apartments, houses, and condos. One standout feature is its detailed neighborhood insights. Beyond photos and prices, Trulia provides crime maps, school ratings, and local amenities, giving renters a complete picture of where they might live. Most people get this wrong. They rely solely on the listing description. The surprising truth is the neighborhood can be just as important as the property itself. Trulia's heat maps show everything from average rent trends to nearby restaurants, parks, and public transport options. Another advantage is its filtering system. Users can search by price, number of bedrooms, pet policies, and even commute times. Trulia also allows direct contact with landlords or property managers through the platform, saving time compared to cold calling or emailing multiple listings. However, there are considerations. Not all listings are verified, so some may be outdated or inaccurate. Users should cross-check information and act quickly, as popular properties can rent fast. In conclusion, Trulia is a powerful tool for renters who want to make informed decisions. Its combination of property listings and neighborhood data helps you avoid surprises and find a rental that fits both your lifestyle and budget. Subscribe for more honest reviews before making your next housing decision.